Cummins Falls Lane and arrive at your destination.
We have made it down to the gorge. Already had a hike through some parts of the river, but we're trekking along. Wow! Careful, it's slick. It's really slick. There you go, Burger. So we have made it to the falls. It's beautiful back here. There's Mom. Bodie and Winston are up there. It's freaking gorgeous. Like that is amazing. They're over there on their way back. It's so pretty. So this has been a beautiful hike. It was about half a mile down to the Overlook, and then probably a little over a mile from there all the way to the falls. I'll put the exact. It is a Friday morning, so there's some people out because it's just starting to get warm again here in March, but a little tricky. It really isn't that bad. We've pretty much had majority of the place to ourselves, and it's been beautiful. Get outside. Now time to go back up.